You thought kids were the only ones that were excited about having snow days? Nope. What's not to love about this weather? That's why you have a truck like this. You get the big tires on here, you have some fun. What's going on? It is snowing in New Jersey and we are screwing around in the snow with the new Tundra. I'm a little out of breath because I'm running. This thing just looks sick in the snow, but it's also a beast. If any of you had any questions on if the Tundra is good in the snow, it's good. Well, at least the Pro is. Let's go have some more fun. Alright, boys and girls, that's about it. That's me playing in the snow. I hope you enjoyed it. As a recap, Nitto Grappler ridges, they do great in snow. Don't listen to the reviews of people saying they don't. I don't know what they're doing or what kind of car they have them on / truck. They're awesome tires. They grip, they stop, they do everything you want them to do in bad weather, and I'm having a blast. Get your trucks out there and have some fun, boys. I'll talk to you soon. Later.